Grab and Craft is an online store with a large variety of art and craft supplies. In my first shopping experience, I bought premium pigment ink pad which contains 4 shades in one pack. Clear stamps of different designs. Different colors of jute thread in one pack. Vibrant colors of felt sheets. My personal review about Grab and Craft is that they have wide variety of glass bottles, craft supplies, art supplies, stickers, DIY kits, tapes, threads, lace and much more. I have given the link in the description box. Do visit Grab and Craft to grab a wide varieties of art and craft supplies. If you like this video, kindly like, share and subscribe my channel.